All right, this is a nice question. Who are the Joint Chief of Staff? Okay. The Joint Chief of Staff are an assembly of top generals and admirals. Okay, so this is basically these elites, right, that understand warfare. Okay, they can understand the perks, the effects, the causes, the outcomes, and they honestly are considered the peacekeepers. All right, and because even though the top generals and admirals and they're supposed to engage in warfare and use military force, right, they understand that this should be a last option. All right, they're not uh, hot triggers. They're not quick to go ahead and infiltrate another country just because of orders of an executive. Okay, they kind of always want to maintain the peace because war costly, people die, and they're usually, all right, disregarded. So even though they understand and they usually give the best advice, they are highly disregarded. So the Joint Chief of Staff are an assembly of top generals and admirals. You can consider them as doves, you know, non-interventionist, reserved peacekeepers.